I'll just block their sky. Look at this thing here. Well then, welcome to Aston. There's not a lot to it. Right, this is the starting point for the bridleways. I'm hoping to go down there, do a great big loop and come back along there. That's the plan.
That way.
Just so we know, bridleway only. Let's go. Black cat, is that lucky or unlucky? Soon find out. Oh jeez. I've started the moaning process early to get it over and done with. Oh my god! There you go, that's cinematic. I'm going to have to check the map. No, I don't have to check the map. There's the river. Bloody hell, wildlife. Slightly boggy, but I'm going with it. The river approaches, or the canal, or whatever it is. Seems to be a random style just here. Should I go over it for a laugh? This is a bridleway, but it seems to me like it used to be a footpath. Okay, what's the plan for today? Well, there's a viaduct to see, and a dry dock at Dutton, and anything else I can find. Just the lovely scenery. Now I really like this path. Yes, bridleway. I sort of feel like I'm riding through someone's front garden. No, I think this is it. I'll just block their sky. Look at that pad. Very nice. This has got to be the right way. Yes, I think it is. Morning. I'll put it back for the next person to drop on the floor. Caution, uneven surface caused by badger activity. I'm laughing, I'm going to be going over the bars. 200? No idea. It's a bit off-road, bloody badgers. Well, that's a long freight liner, isn't it? It's still going. And I turned the camera off for a bit. It's probably 1,000 years old or something. Right, there's a lovely little cute bridge up here. I haven't said cute for a bit. Oh yes, lovely, serene. And over there, the docks. It's funny, isn't it? When these things were being built, the locals probably hated it. You're ruining the countryside. Now we come along 200 years later and we're like, it's lovely. A bit leaky that one, to be honest. It needs a rebuild. The Weaver Way. A Weaver Way, a Weaver Way. Nice Union Jack. And the poppies. Bit tight. Very tight. Yes. That boat over there has seen some action, hasn't it? Fixer-upper, you think? Looking at the map and crossing over here is just a bit of a detour. I don't think it gets better than this. What a beautiful place to live. I keep saying that, don't I? The Iris Abbott, Manchester. And this is that lovely boat. Oh wow, look at this thing here. A great big Archimedes screw, I think they're called. Right, there's the water going through. Oh yeah, that's the thing, isn't it? Oh my god. It's flipping huge. Danger, no riding the screw. Another lovely little bridge. View of whatever that thing is it a weir, an adjustable weir? Cool little cormorant. Chilling. Dog walking and fishing spot. Probably says no fishing. Ooh, members only. Right, we're coming up to a swing bridge. I don't know where this swing bridge is. I don't even know what this river is. Or is it a canal? Ding ding, okay, cheers. You okay, Fooch? Alopecia dog. Acton Bridge. There you go. Pretty noisy down here. Must be a giant bearing, maybe floating on oil. Nope, wrong way. Lovely little bridge though. Cumberbatch. Well, that's a bit strange, isn't it? Yeah, we're actually near Manchester Airport. There's a bridleway somewhere down here. Is that it, down that private road? Oh, I think it might be this one. Yep, this is it. Oh jeez, 4x4s. Oh yeah, down there. Let's have a little nosy at this private estate. Yeah, just look at those swans. Morning. That cheeky duck. He's obviously hanging off there, see if we can get some scraps. Shardlow, 89 miles. I think there's a lot of people in canal boats who are just waterborne hoarders. Don't tell anyone I said that.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
Nelly. Sorry.
No worries. Got to make a joke there, saying the guy who just passed you said you got 3 Rottweilers. Probably wouldn't go down well. Well, I've got to go up onto the bridge and have a look, haven't I? You can just see the viaduct over there and the cute little bridge. And now I'm on another cute little bridge. It's going to be a near miss. That did look close actually, didn't it? This would be a nightmare on the high bike. I'd probably end up walking it. I'm sure it looked great when they first made it. Oh no, I should have turned right at that little bridge. It's freaky how slippy Wetwood is, look at that. Oh no, that goes to Dalton Manor and I'm going this way. Ah, Dutton Locks, we meet again. Ah, battered old boat, we meet again. I think someone's been doing some work on it. The cormorant's still there. No luck, mate. Getting a bit busy around here today. Bridleway. I bought an extra jumper with me because I thought it was going to be cold. I'm actually sweating here in a tiny little thin coat. I probably could have bought the high bike with the fat tyres, especially if I'd stuck to the proper route. A lovely English meadow. I love the simple little mechanisms they use. The what? I was hoping to go down here, but it says no public right of way. But there is another way to get to it, so I'm going to try further up. Well, this is it. Looks a bit busy though. Bridleway this way. Okay. Oh, it's a little baby train. Nope, can't go this way either. Oh dear, that gave me a fright. Oh yes, delightful. Is that a Scots pine? Is that one of the Formby trees? I think it might be. Oh look, a squirrel! Switches it into turbo. Found it. They were nervous but stood their ground. There's always a coward. Right, I think I'm approaching the dry dock. Looks a bit wet at the moment. Oh, they look really old, those barges. The whole thing looks really old. Yep, there's the Dutton dry dock. Yes, only a little bit of it gets dry. That barge must be really, really old. Oh, isn't this lovely? Smell burning wood in someone's fire. And this is a tunnel up here. Old school tunnel where you have to use your feet to push the barge along. It's called Preston Brook Tunnel. I don't think it's that long. Can we see the end as we go past? Oh yeah, just see it in the distance. No, this is not the same canal. It's another much more interesting one. Okay, I admit it. Well, at least you get to see it from a different angle. There you go, dry dock. And that's Ben 1. It's got a little office and everything. I think someone's playing at canal boats. Oh, that is beautiful. I mean, seriously, check it out. Couldn't film that before, so here I am filming it again. I kept riding past that guy. I think he thinks I'm a top class weirdo. Gonna have a little walk to stretch my legs, and it's a nice shortcut as well. Oh my god, it's a complete bog. Ooh, loads of apples. Nope, you get stomachache, don't you? Look at this, guys. The back wheel is going round by itself, while the bike's on its side. What the hell is making it roll for so long? It's been running like that for about 30 seconds. And again, don't be fooled by this very similar track. It's another one, trust me. Someone with the same tyres as me has gone through that mud there. Another similar, I'm not even going to say it. Okay, mud pit. Yeah, okay, it's straight on. Wish me luck. Oh, jeez, no. Bloody tractors. You know what, that was alright. Okay, let's see if the locals have let the tyres down on my van. I parked outside someone's house. I'll sneak back into it. Well, that was short but sweet. Poor old GoPro was struggling, pointing straight at the winter sun. Lovely ride, really chill. Thanks for watching anyway.